Here is my 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ. It's limited with a 4.7 liter V8. Here's the situation. Basically, I'll show you how to do the key trick, and there's plenty of this online. You stick your key in and you turn it to the on position 3 times and then leave it on, and there you see the P0455, P1495, and done. I know the P0455, the P1495, I'm not sure. And basically what I did was I had to do a smoke test, because in trying to diagnose where I've got an evap leak, that's the P0455 gross evap leak, it could be any number of things. Any of these hoses, you know, it's for the emissions and all that. And basically it took me a while to find it, but the culprit is actually way down here. And this is the leak detection pump. Problem more specifically is the filter. This filter right here has got a nozzle that connects to this right here, and that basically was broken off. So I went online, got the replacement part, and that is the filter and the filter housing. So let's put that back on the leak detection pump, and we can go ahead and start installing it. All right, so I got this part here, and I'm going to reattach it here, and that actually goes down behind the driver's headlight. So I'm going to leave that so I can get this dude back down here. And I found a video, not on YouTube, that showed that you had to basically drill some holes to access the screws. Now I think I drilled a little too many holes, but I finally got to it, and all this is covered by the headlight anyway. And so that's where I've got to secure it. So I went ahead and got everything changed and turned it on, and then we'll see if it'll clear the codes or not. Got the job done. Turns out P1495 is the leak detection pump module or solenoid or circuit were found to be disconnected. So that solved that one. But I took it for a test drive and everything worked out well. The code has now gone, and if you want I could show you that, but we'll see if it pops back up. So again, appreciate your time. Hopefully you've learned something. Hopefully I've inspired you to do the work yourself and save you some time and money. So appreciate it. Have a terrific day and see you on the next one. Thanks.